Hi. If you don't know me or you have not seen a video, I'd like to reintroduce myself. My name is Cassandra. I am the owner of Ula, and I actually was tempted to make that video, but I figured, what the heck. Anyways, I make this video today. It's because as a parent, and if you are a new parent, you would also, assuming you're experiencing the same issues, um, we learn so much from our children. And one thing that I find myself struggling with is screaming at my kids. And again, this is what our parents did to us, and we subconsciously not noticing when we have kids, that's the same reaction that we reproduce. So I have been very aware of that and trying to refrain myself from screaming at my kid. And I do have two children, a girl who just turned 3 and a boy who's 1. And having two of them screaming at the same time can really drive you insane. Um, this video is more like I figured what I will do to not only help myself, help new parents, help single parents, and to be more precise, help single young black women. Now, I don't know how it is to be a single mom, but I can't imagine how hard it is because I have help. My husband is a great support, but it sometimes makes me feel like I'm gonna lose it, and I have to pretend that I have everything under control because the energy that you're feeling, believe it or not, your children can feel it, and you passing it on, they sense it. So the point of this video is that I am making a weekly challenge. It's a little hot. Making a weekly challenge, and the weekly challenge for this week is to stop, try to not tell your kids stop crying so much. Can you stop crying, all you do is cry. That's what I find myself telling my daughter. And the challenge that I have been working on, which I decided to share with you, is to refrain from saying that 10 words, 10 simple phrases, or more like 10 affirmative words, that such as I agree with you, I understand, your feeling matters, I know this was sad and it was unfair, but, and then you tell them what's happening, or such a little thing like, it's okay, it's not fair, and it's not what you want to hear. Let's talk about it, or tell me about it. If you have sibling, they're gonna say, my brother took my pen. Can you tell me about it? Even if you're not listening, just the fact that you tell them you want to hear what they have to say, they feel that, because they watch TV and they feel the bond that mama understand me, mama listen to me, mama values my opinion, oh daddy. And I, again, this is a different video. I have to a different topic. I really appreciate all the black fathers out there who takes care of their kids. If you take care of your child, I don't, whether it's financially or emotionally or just being there for them, I value you, because it's very hard, and especially with the media making you believe differently. I want you to know that we love you. A lot of black women like myself, we appreciate you. I don't want to deviate from the topic. So for this week, the challenge that we're going with is to listen to your kid. Don't tell them to stop crying. Let them know that mama's here for you. I am listening to you. I understand what happened is not fair. I Let's talk about it. Everything gonna be okay, but right now it might hurt a lot. Right now you may not understand what's happening, but it's gonna get better. Let's work with it, or we're gonna figure this out. Instead, I know some kids are very annoying. I do, because my daughter can be a crybaby, but just let them know that, hey, how about we talk about it? And these little steps, if you keep practicing with them, not only it makes your life better, it makes their life better. So there's less whining in your ears, there's more communication, and communication is what you want to build with your child. um this is what I will leave you for with this week. I am we'll have another video next week on what's the weekly challenge gonna be. Take care, and if you don't forget to check, we do have I do have another channel. It calls The Adventure of Cuckoo and Ja, which are my kids. You could check it out as well. It shows you the tips, how I interact with them, and what we do as far as education or fun, because we do make every opportunity a learning one. So check it out. It calls Cuckoo and Ja, and if you new, give us a like, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you, and take care. Bye bye.